This question is quite popular because the Sonos Ace doesn't have anything to recharge it. However, it does have a USB-C connection, and this is where you can recharge it. So the only thing you need is a USB-C cable that you connect into that port, and you connect the other side to a power adapter. It can be one thing like this. You surely have something somewhere at your place. You can also connect it directly into your computer. USB is a standard. If you can connect it, you won't break your device because it is a standard. Now, for sure, some are faster than other. So, if you're at home and you don't care at how much time it will take to recharge it, you can take anything. If you are traveling and want something fast, what I do like to use is this guy, which is the Anchor Prime. I left link in the description. This guy gives 150 watts share to those 4 ports. So the more you use, the slower it is, but still it is a very fast device, ideal when I do travel and want to charge my things fast. So I recommend this one, and I hope this was helpful.